Hello, everyone. This is Chapter 3, Objects and Materials for Grade 1 Science, running from October 20th to November 21st. In the continuation of Lesson 1, Everyday Heat, the objective is to investigate and describe applications of heat in everyday life. Materials needed are as follows: hot plate, maybe a stove if available, toaster and dryer images, the videos included, and the Hello Heat investigation kit. Key points are that heat is energy that makes things warmer. It is in everyday uses such as cooking, drying clothes, and in warming homes. A misconception might be that the students think that it's only for heating a room when it's actually everywhere. These are the TEKS that will occur in Lesson 1. In the investigation Hello Heat, students test and observe how heat affects material like bread to toast or clothes in a dryer. They practice making it clean, gathering evidence, and explaining their reasoning. Students can read about hot air balloons as an extension in the Observe Your World Hard Air Rises, found in their student workbooks. They may explore the heat through steam stations or write about heat in everyday life. In Lesson 2, Heat Causes Changes. The objective is describe how some changes caused by heat can be reversed, while others cannot. Materials may include ice cubes, butter, crayons for the reversible changes, and eggs, bread, and clay for the irreversible changes. The key points in this lesson are reversible and irreversible, and to hit on not all changes can be undone. The TEKS are as follows for Lesson 2. And in the investigation found in Lesson 2 called Butter Up, students watch butter melt and compare it with other materials. They describe and discover which changes are reversible, melting and freezing, and which ones are not. In Lesson 3, Pushes and Pulls, the objective is to explain how pushes and pulls can start, stop, or change on objects' speed or direction. Materials are balls, wagons, marbles, magnets, string, and yarn. The key points to hit on this lesson are that push means to move away, while pull means to move toward. Forces can start, stop, motion, change speed, or change direction. Examples may be kicking a ball or pulling a wagon. In Lesson 3, Marble Motion, students push and pull marbles, exploring how motion can start, stop, speed up, or change direction. They connect their results to everyday forces like playing soccer or gravity pulling a ball down. Students connect science to real jobs in the extension, reading and watching meet an engineer and an astronaut. They see how pushes and pulls are essential in technology, machines, and space travel. Lesson 4, Speed and Direction. The objective is to plan and conduct investigations to predict how pushes and pulls affect motion. The materials are toy cars, ramps, balls, swings, doors, or magnets. Key points are to follow the steps of investigation, ask a question, plan a test, conduct a test, record observations, and communicate results, what they've been practicing since Chapter 1. Pushes and pulls can vary in strength and direction. In the investigation in this lesson, Move the Car, students design and carry out their own descriptive investigations using toy cars, ramps, or balls. They ask a testable question, run the test, record observations, and share results. In the extension Build Your Skill, students connect pushes and pulls to everyday activities like doors, swings, or wagons. Fast finishers or GT students can explore further through STEAM stations or independent projects. And for the chapter 3 wrap up, heat changes matter, sometimes reversible, sometimes not. Pushes and pulls are forces that affect motions. And students practice real science, asking questions, investigating, and sharing discoveries. Thank you for watching this recording.